Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you I think it's rare bird. I've never seen it before, so I don't know, but I'll be showing you it. You've got to be quiet, otherwise they'll run away. There you guys. Whoa. Hi fella, what you doing? Get out of here. So guys, we're going out. Going outside. We're going outside and we're going to see if they're out here. I'm gonna get on top of the bin. Waiting. Unfortunately they ran off. Wow. I've learnt something today. When I'm trying to see birds, I've got to be a bit quieter. Can't find them. I'll make another video if they come back. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a like, it really helps me a lot. And leave a comment on what you want me to do next. Bye bye. And once again, peace out.